Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about what is merger. So, a merger is a combination of two or more companies into one company. It may be done either closing the old entity into one new entity or by one company absorbing the others. It is a financial activity that is undertaken in the large variety of industries such as healthcare, financial institution, private investment and many more. Now I am going to take an example. Suppose there are two company A Limited and company B Limited, and they merge together to form a new company. It may be a company AB Limited or company C Limited. Now I am going to talk about the types of merger. There are different types of merger such as horizontal merger, vertical merger, conglomerate merger, co-generic merger and reverse merger. So we'll discuss about it one by one. So the first type of merger is horizontal merger. Now what is horizontal merger? Horizontal merger means when two or more companies dealing in the same product or the services, if they join together, it is known as horizontal merger. The idea behind this kind of merger is to avoid competition between the units and company. For example, two manufacturers of the same type of clothes, two booksellers and the two transport company operating on the same route, these cases will be a horizontal merger. Now, the real life example of horizontal merger are merger of Idea and Vodafone, merger of Walmart and Flipkart, merger between Vijaya Bank, Bank of Baroda and Dena Bank. These all are the example of horizontal merger. Second type of merger is vertical merger. Vertical merger means a merger of a firm engaged at different stage of production or the distribution of the same product or the services. In this case, two or more companies dealing in the same product but at different stage may join to carry out the whole process itself. For example, a petroleum producing company may set up its own petrol pump for its selling. Another example is a textile unit may join with a transport company for carrying its product to different places. These cases will be a vertical merger. The idea behind this kind of merger is to take two different stages of the work to ensure speedily production or quick services. Now, the real life example of vertical mergers are merger between Google and Facebook and the merger between eBay and PayPal. Next type of merger is conglomerate merger. When two companies dealing in totally different activity join together, it will be a case of conglomerate merger. For example, manufacturing company may merge with an insurance company, a textile company merge with a vegetable oil mill. This type of merger is undertaken to diversify the activity. Now, real life example of conglomerate mergers are merger between Disney and ABC and the merger between Time Warner Cable and Turner. These are the example of conglomerate merger. Next type of merger is co-generic merger. Now, the co-generic merger is occur when two merging companies are in the same general industry, but they have no mutual buyer or the customer or suppliers relationship is known as co-generic merger, such as a merger between a bank and leasing company. Now, I'll give you real life example. A merger between a City Crop and the Travelers is the example of co-generic merger. And the last type of merger is reverse merger. A reverse merger is a process by which a smaller private company goes public by acquiring an already public company. It is known as a reverse merger. The basic philosophy of reverse merger is to take advantage of the provision of Income Tax Act 1961, which permit a company to carry forwards its losses to set off against its future profit. Now I'll give you real life example. A merger between the ICICI Group and the ICICI Bank is an example of reverse merger. Hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, always learn with me.